Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about 5 work from home jobs that are entry level and require no experience. So let's get right into it. The first company we're looking at is Rocket Money, and they're looking for a customer support associate. Rocket Money is a budgeting and finance app. So let's scroll down. Rocket Money's mission is to empower people to live their best financial lives. Rocket Money offers members a unique understanding of their finances and a suite of valuable services that save them time and money, ultimately giving them a leg up on their financial journey. So let's scroll down and read a little about the role. About the role, use an online chat platform to talk with Rocket Money's members. You'll provide excellent customer service, answer questions about the app, assist members with their accounts, and solve general issues. You'll provide resources and guide members on how to maximize their premium memberships. You'll escalate technical issues to the engineering team and communicate solutions to members. You'll draft support articles and assist with creating member tutorials. You will use the Rocket Money app regularly and provide detailed feedback to product team on beta features and other duties as assigned. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for an interview. About you. You have an interest in personal finance and a desire to see others succeed in managing their money. You're a great communicator. You're empathetic. You're proactive with problem solving. You're familiar with workflow management. You know how to efficiently balance multiple competing priorities. You're taking initiative. You're self motivated. Your customer service experience in a B2C tech company is a plus, but not required. What they offer. Here's their benefit package right here. So let's scroll down. Additional information. The salary range is $20 to $24 an hour plus bonus plus benefits. Base pay offered may vary depending on job related knowledge, skills, and experience. The second company we're looking at is Dow Jones, and they are looking for a customer service associate in the United States. Dow Jones is a global provider of news and business information, delivering content to consumers and organizations around the world across multiple formats, including print, digital, mobile, and live events. Let's scroll down and look at the position. About the role. As a customer service associate on our global customer service team, you will utilize your can do attitude and have a passion for helping people. You will be joining a recognized leader in the world of business information that is focused on its people and has a legacy of providing the highest quality customer support in the industry. You will lead and grow from this position and use your experience to establish a career in our best in class multinational organization. You will report to the customer service supervisor. The work hours for this position are 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You will provide high-level telephone and email support for the Opus suite of products from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern. Answer global customer queries concerning content data, product navigation, billing, account administration, and more. Ensure all relevant procedures are followed from beginning to resolution. Ensure all key performance indicators and service levels are met. You'll collaborate with colleagues on our sales, billing, and editorial teams to ensure complete customer satisfaction. You will actively seek out opportunities for self-improvement and participate in new product and procedural training. You have at least 1 year of customer service experience in any setting, which is preferred, not required. Flexibility to accommodate 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., experience resolving customer concerns, ability to follow a large set of procedural guidelines and be independently resourceful, built and developed internal and external relationships, demonstrate experience of learning technical systems, Salesforce or NetSuite experience preferred, college degree preferred, but not required. Here's their benefit package. Let's scroll down. Let's look at the compensation. It's a non-union role and the pay range is $35,000 to $50,000 a year. The third company we're looking at is Language Services Associates, LSA, and they are looking for an outbound coordinator. This is a remote position in a contact center. It's full time. So let's scroll down. In this position, you will take part in America's rich diversity and multiculturalism on a daily basis, working as part of a lively team in a fast paced contact center environment, scheduling interpreters to ensure that communication is available for important events such as medical appointments, court cases, and emergencies. Let's scroll down and see what the responsibilities are. You will maintain a high level of customer service while assisting clients, interpreters, and internal customers over the phone, via email, and chat. In addition, you will complete outbound calls to address client and interpreters' needs. You will accurately gather and process information to fulfill interpretation requests via phone, online, or email. You will perform necessary next steps to assign an appropriate interpreter or agency partner. You will ensure timely follow ups. You will utilize available resources for independent problem solving. You will adhere to personal attendance schedule and arrive to work on time. Communicate with the call center managers as appropriate when issues arise. You will maintain full confidentiality and always adhere to LSA's security policies. You will perform other duties as assigned. Requirements: contact center experience with high volume outbound calling proficiency, strong oral and written communication skills, ability to manage multiple tasks effectively, a desire to learn, must be familiar with Microsoft Office Suite, and basic interest in foreign cultures required. The hours are 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday, and the compensation is $16 an hour. And the fourth and final company we're looking at is called Drips, and they are looking for a chat room operator. So let's look at the job summary. They're looking to expand their work from home conversion improvement team. Every day, they hold millions of automated, humanized conversations for their clients, but automation is simply not enough. So let's scroll down. They're looking for humans to be chat room operators. So, who are we? We are Drips.com, the founders of conversational texting, and America's leading automated, humanized texting platform for brands to hold conversations at scale with their consumers. In a world where no one answers calls anymore, Drips is answering a real need in the market for companies and their consumers. Learn about Drips and the problems we are solving in the news. So they have their articles here. The compensation for this position is $10 to $13 an hour. It's part-time, up to 28 hours a week. Training is conducted through Zoom. Audio and video is required. Hours they're looking for, which include multiple shifts. You must be able to work 6 straight hours a day, 3 to 5 days a week, Monday through Sunday. Here are the available shifts: Eastern Time, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Specific duties: quickly and accurately, in less than 60 seconds, respond to inbound messages via our chat room, to leads regarding questions or concerns about the product or service, utilizing point and click frequently asked questions with canned responses. Add relevancy to canned responses. Example: if someone says they are sick, you might add, "Sorry to hear that." You'll maintain 95% or above accuracy in response handling. Required abilities: exceptional attention to detail, comfortable on the computer, proficient in emojis, good grammatical, spelling, and logical skills, exceptional verbal communication and written skills, reliable and responsible to a designated schedule, must have reliable internet, must be currently living in the United States. And that's Drips.